The new movie, but then we got more money and more time to make it even splashier and bigger. We got dragons, so you're welcome. You're in for a treat.
Connie has served as an educator who has taught at Hawaiian immersion preschools and Hawaii high schools and colleges. Currently, she is an outspoken advocate for the protection of Hawaiian lands, water, ocean resources, marine life, and iwi kapuna. Ilani sits on various communities boards and is a lead organizer of the Oahu.
Thunder too? Right. Wow. We got caught in the rain. Like, pouring down rain. Waiting for it to let up a little bit. Yeah.
Wow.
We are soaked.
We were thinking the rain was gonna let up so we could like run back to the car.
but it was not, and so we just braved it.
We had to make a run for it, y'all, as fast as we could. We weren't running, but
Yeah.
literally the rain did not let up.
And it's literally like we just stood in the shower. With
We're
our clothes.
drenched.
Yeah, with our clothes on.
I have on my swimsuit because my plan was to get in the water.
Well, you did.
I did, just
Yeah.
a little. But
Jeez.
we had no idea this was happening today.
Yeah. Oh well.
Goodness.
Ill prepared.
Car is all wet. Oh well.
And we were going to go to the supermarket, but we can't now.
Can't go like this.
Yeah.
So we gonna figure out
What to get?
something for dinner
Yeah.
and pick up some takeout and take our drenched behinds home.
Yes. Why?
But gotta love nature.
Yes.
If I was already in the water, like all the way in it, and
It
Tina
wouldn't
wasn't
even
sitting on
matter.
the sidelines, it wouldn't have
Yeah.
mattered. I probably just would still be floating out there.
Yeah. Ooh, boy.
Time to go home.
Yes, please.
All right.
Right now, the one that I miss the most is
Right. There they are. Quarter rolls.
with all of them, and we sell them by the plate. That I see. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try that. Something different.
Yeah.
Cucumber, Korean radish, fresh locally grown pineapple.
I will try each of them.
Each of them perfect. Yeah.
Ooh, Kotai
I don't think she needs them though.
cabbage, cumin, radish.
If I had to be completely honest with you.
So this is kimchi. It's, I don't know if that's salsa.
It's a salsa, yeah. I'll explain that one to you.
Oh, okay. Nice.
It's called Kotai sauce. It's named because it's Korean and Thai inspired. So his dad named it Kotai.
I love it. I love that.
Yeah. It's pineapple based with chili garlic sauce, fish sauce, and some fresh veggies. So it's like sweet, savory, spicy.
You want it? She's like, I already want that one.
We'll give you samples of all.
Yeah.
You're good to go. Here you
Oh, thank you
go.
so much.
You're very welcome. That one's my these guys are sold out. But we're here every Saturday,
Okay.
and we're at Nordstrom every other Sunday. So not tomorrow, but the following Sunday.
Oh yeah, so,
you wanna get those two?
Cabbage and below all.
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
That was
And then
delicious.
Kotai sauce is like a little different kind of thing. This exactly.
Oh my gosh.
Would you like to try the traditional one as well?
Yeah, we do actually. Let me give you our
Okay.
card. There's all of our info on it. The Instagram's on the
Yeah,
There you go.
absolutely. Unfortunately, it is sold out.
Right.
I love the crunch. It's a great texture.
Oh my goodness. Hey everyone. We I know this video is kind of like short,
Very short.
and it's also like a mashup of last weekend and what we did today.
Yeah.
And the reason is because a lot has been going on this past week. And by a lot, I mean a lot.
A lot. And
So-
and the leading up to it. So we've just had a lot going on. Very, personal stuff going on. And it causes a lot of stress and anxiety. So just leading up to it, we had to really focus on ourselves.
Yeah.
But we still tried to get some content out.
Yeah.
And we love creating the content and getting out and recording and stuff. So we just wanted to make sure we still got some cool stuff for y'all.
Yes. So, yeah, that's why it's kind of like when you're watching the video or you've watched the video, it's kind of like, wait a minute, you went from the movie theater, then you went to Moana Beach Park, now you're at the farmer's market. Literally, it's just a mashup. And
Yeah.
like we said, we just kind of wanted to get some content out there. But we do hope that you enjoyed the footage of the water at Moana Beach Park. We got rained on really
We got
bad.
Caught in the rain. I mean, like drenched where we had to run back to the car
Yeah.
because it did not let up. It was pouring rain. and our car seats were drenched. Like it was, and we laughed the whole time. It was hilarious though.
So now we're like over that hump of personal issues, and Connie has made a list of some events that we're going to be going to in the next couple weeks. So next weekend video should be way more content, a little bit more focused, not all over the place. So
more interaction with us.
So hopefully, you know, just forgive us for kind of like just having kind of a mishmash of stuff, but
give us some grace.
We're gonna get it together. But we still hope you enjoyed the footage.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, I think that's it. We really appreciate y'all.
Always.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to click that bell so you can be notified every time we post new content. And we will see you in the next video. Take care. Aloha.